Oh! These tactics today. So instead of building a bigger ramp, I'm using a smaller RC. Haha, clever, huh? Saves me a bit of time. So the Omni-Terminator is coming out to play. Got the punch turned right up. See if I can get 3 backflips out of it. What do we reckon? Still can't hit the ramp. I've got more chance of a smaller RC, surely. Let's go. Oh, that stuffed something. What's that broke? How has that survived? Has it survived? How did that survive? What a cool little RC this is. It's a tank. Oop. Oh, Rlaarlo, you got something right with this little bad boy. So today's challenge is 1 flip. It tracks true, so maybe I've just got a bumpy run up. Let's bring it around the tree. That could be better. Maybe have to adjust me. Oh, this is ridiculous. Yeah, small RC doesn't help. I'm not hitting it square. Yeah, this ramp's stupid. So I have done something. I've punched my shocks all the way through. Thought it looked a bit low one side. That joy of a heavy landing, huh? Yeah, let's go again. Let's do it. 1 flip. One flip. What else we got? 2 flip. Need more speed. That was 2 flips. Just wants to bounce. Abort. Oh my god. Have I done the springs again? Yeah. Oh, 3 flips, 3 flips. Oh, I don't know, I didn't count. I didn't count. I should have counted, but I didn't count. I want to try another one. But this little Terminator's a tank. Let's go again. Oh. That sounds a little terminal. What have I done? Okay. So. That's probably today's bash.